Hi everyone, we're going to make some khichdi. One of those dishes you have when you're under the weather. Or just a light meal that is enjoyed by the entire family. So I got a tablespoon of ghee heating up here, and I've added one sliced onion. I will slightly brown it and add some garam masala. To this mixture I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, um, 4, 5, 6 peppercorns and 5, 6 cloves. That's my garam masala mix. I also add some cinnamon sticks. I'll add 2 cinnamon sticks that are broken. Now I'm making khichdi the way it's made in my home. My mom makes it that way and I love it. I won't change nothing about it. It's just a very simple khichdi and it makes you feel good at the end of the day. So I'll wait for my onions to turn slightly golden, and then I will first pressure cook the dal. And I am using Urad Dal because I did not have Moong Dal. And this is the one which is the splitted version. Usually we use the Moong Dal. Now Urad Dal tastes just as good, actually even better. So do try it. A good variation to your khichdi's. Again, you can use any of these dals, either Urad Dal, which is split, or Moong Dal. Traditionally the Moong Dal is used. I just don't have it at home today. So I soaked about 3/4 cup of dal for about 30 minutes. I washed and rinsed it. So I'm just waiting for my onions to turn golden before I add the dal. I've been frying my onions in a tablespoon of ghee. Now you could use oil if you like. I just use ghee because it's more flavorful and it goes very well with the rice and dal. So I'm just waiting for a slight gold and then I will add my dal. Let me show you what my dal looks like at this point. This is what my dal looks like. I washed it and rinsed it and I soaked it for 30 minutes. This is the Urad Dal, black one. But the green one would do better if you had it. Now that my onions have turned slight gold, I'm going to add my dal. And this is 3/4 cup of washed, soaked and rinsed dal. I've added a teaspoon of salt and now I will pressure cook it on medium heat for 15 minutes. In went the pressure cooker. In went the dal in pressure cooker. I have pressure cooked my dal for about 20 minutes and it still holds its shape. Now what I want is I just press some of my dal just to see where is it. It's fine. So I'm now going to add the rice, which have been soaking for about 40 minutes now. Now let me make a correction. I used half cup of dal and not 3/4 of cups of dal. Again, half cup of dal was used. I've now added 3/4 cups of soaked rice, which has been soaking for about 30 to 40 minutes. So the rice is slightly more than the dal. Some people like equal proportions and you can do that. I like the rice on the higher side. So I have 3/4 cups of rice and half cup of my dal, and I'm going to add another half cup of water because I like my khichdi on the watery side. And you can make it if you like it on the drier side, you add less water. At this point I will also season my khichdi. I did add some salt. I'm going to add some pepper, black pepper. So in goes half teaspoon of black pepper, coarsely ground black pepper. I do like the taste of black pepper in here. It helps with our digestion as well. Khichdi is usually had when you have any digestive issues. I don't, but It's just one of those days where you want something that takes care of you. And then remove it. I've added about a cupful of yogurt, and I've added some salt to it, and a little water or milk to lighten it up, and just give it a light whisk or beating, and then serve it with your kitchen. And you can also serve it with achar if you like achar, the pickles, and you have a meal. There goes a khichdi to be served with dahi and some achar. Lovely simple meal and very, very comforting. Do try it, like and subscribe. Enjoy.